Welcome to the best picks. The best Pinzon Packing Cubes is probably one of the most effective ways to maximize your luggage space and effortlessly organize your belongings for any trip, whether it's a weekend getaway or an extended adventure. These innovative cubes compress your clothes, making it easier than ever to fit everything you need while keeping your suitcase neat and tidy, saving you valuable time and stress. Number 5. BAGAIL Compression Packing Cubes. Tired of messy luggage? These cubes help you organize and compress your clothes, maximizing space and minimizing wrinkles. Simply fold your clothes, place them inside, zip the front, and gently compress using the middle zipper. It's that easy. Made from durable, high-density fabric, they protect your clothes from wrinkles and stains while withstanding the wear and tear of travel. The sturdy zippers and well-designed construction keep everything neat and easily accessible in your suitcase. With various sizes, they're perfect for all your clothing items, from jackets to socks. Keep everything separated and easy to find. These cubes not only save space but also help you stay organized, so you can quickly find what you need on your trip. What we like? It's made of high-density fabric, so it can protect your clothes from damage. The different sizes help you neatly organize your suitcase. If you need to pack a lot of different items and want to keep everything organized, this is a great option for you. What people say. The compression feature is a game changer for her packing. She can fit so much more into her suitcase, which is perfect for her frequent trips. She's also a big fan of how organized everything stays. They help save space and keep everything organized, making it simple to separate clothes by type or outfit. The cubes are expandable, allowing you to pack more items than you thought possible, and they can be easily compressed to fit into tight spaces. This means you can pack more, without having to sacrifice style or comfort. Number 4. Tripped Travel Packing Cubes. Tired of messy luggage? These cubes transform the way you pack. Get organized and travel smarter. They compress your clothes, saving valuable space in your suitcase or backpack. Plus, they help keep your clothes wrinkle-free. Made from high-quality, ripstop nylon, they're built to last. Yet, they're incredibly lightweight, so they won't add extra weight to your luggage. Simply place your clothes inside, zip them up, and compress. The various sizes help you organize everything efficiently. We offer a range of sizes to fit all your travel needs. Find the perfect combination for your next adventure. These packing cubes not only help you organize but also make packing and unpacking a breeze. Enjoy stress-free travel. What we like? This one uses a double zipper compression system to save space. It is also lightweight and durable, perfect for frequent travelers. If you're looking for a way to maximize space in your luggage without adding extra weight, then this is for you. What people say. They make packing and traveling so much easier. I can organize my suitcase as I'm packing, so I'm less likely to forget something. By organizing my suitcase by items or outfits, I can easily find things when I get to my destination. The compression feature on these is particularly effective. They really do save a significant amount of space in the luggage once you zip the compression zipper. Number 3. Gonex Compression Cubes. Tired of messy luggage? These cubes will transform your packing experience. Get organized and ready for your next adventure. They compress your clothes, saving valuable space in your suitcase. Plus, they help keep everything neat and wrinkle-free. Made from high-quality mesh, they're lightweight yet incredibly strong. They can withstand the rigors of travel. Available in a range of sizes, you can find the perfect fit for all your clothing and accessories. Customize your packing system. Simply pack your clothes, zip it up, and compress. Cleaning is a breeze, just wipe them down. With these cubes, packing and unpacking is a breeze. Enjoy stress-free travel with Gonex. What we like? These cubes are extensible, giving you flexibility depending on your needs. The mesh material allows for breathability. If you prioritize breathability and need adjustable packing space, this is a great choice. What people say. There are multiple useful sizes in this bunch. They have a really nice floral design. They have a silky feel. The zippers seem very well made, and I'll jump ahead and tell you that when I got home and ran them through the washer and dryer, they came out fine, although the instructions say to hand wash and line dry. In the largest one, I fit the following: a pair of heavy jeans, a pair of sweatpants, 2 pairs of workout-type leggings, 5 t-shirts, a tank top, 2 long-sleeved shirts, 1 long-sleeved thermal shirt, 4 pairs of socks, 2 pairs of PJs, and a workout resistance band. The compression zipper is good quality and seems to work well. Depending on how you pack or what you are packing, you may not get as compression as you might hope, but it definitely reduces the size of the clothing versus folding or rolling alone. Number 2. Cambond Compression Cubes. Tired of messy luggage? These innovative cubes help you organize and compress your clothes, saving space and making packing a breeze. Watch how easily they compress your clothes. You'll be amazed at how much more you can fit into your suitcase. They're made from high-quality materials, built to withstand the rigors of travel. It's a smart investment for frequent travelers. Keep your clothes neatly separated and wrinkle-free. Say goodbye to rummaging through your suitcase. Whether it's a weekend getaway or an extended vacation, these cubes are your perfect travel companion. They're ideal for carry-on suitcases. Simply pack your clothes, zip it up, and compress. It's that simple. What we like? It's designed specifically for women's travel needs, with compression to save space and organization features. If you're a woman who travels frequently and wants a stylish and functional solution, this is perfect for you. What people say. They were very sturdy, zippers worked great, and I love the handles. These packing cubes really help compress your clothes, although it is a struggle to compress them in the first place, but I could also be overpacking them. These help me organize my things as it makes it easy to keep my tops, bottoms, underclothes, and other items separate, and also allows me to fit more items in my luggage since all my clothes are compressed into cubes. The shape of these is so much better. They easily held everything I needed, and zipping them closed was easy. They're not a super tight compression, but they do make each pack smaller, and because they don't compress more, my clothes weren't wrinkled when I got to my destination. Number 1. Ultralight Compression Packing Cubes. These packing cubes are a must-have for any traveler. They'll help you maximize your luggage space and make packing a breeze. It features a double zipper compression system that removes excess air, making your belongings incredibly compact. This saves you valuable space in your suitcase or backpack. Made from ripstop nylon, it's lightweight yet durable and water-resistant, protecting your clothes and gear from the elements. They are built to last with reinforced seams and durable zippers that glide smoothly, even when full. You can trust them on any adventure. Whether you're flying overseas or going on a road trip, these versatile cubes are perfect for keeping your belongings organized and protected. We're committed to providing high-quality products and excellent customer support. Enjoy peace of mind knowing you've made a smart choice. What we like? These cubes are ultralight and durable, making them ideal for backpacking or other adventures. The compression feature helps save space in your pack. If you are an adventurer who values lightweight gear and efficient packing, you should choose this. What people say. Super impressed with these little gems. They are incredibly lightweight, and when empty, rolled up, and stored all together, take up just a few flat inches of space. I was impressed with both the ease of compression, very little squeeze and pressure needed to compress, and the compression capacity. For example, I can fit 3 pair of heavy sweatpants in one, in the compression mode, or 2 large long-sleeved thick corduroy overshirts, with a medium stack of undergarments. Upon receipt of the packing bags, I filled them and was able to obtain a 2-to-1 compression, without trying too hard. This is great for using a not-so-oversized backpack when traveling across Europe. Great quality as well. I really loved the compression aspect of the cubes, and after using them I wouldn't ever buy regular packing cubes. I found it worked much better to compress the softer clothing items better than the stiffer, sturdier fabrics. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.